The moment cold water hits your skin, your mind resets instantly. This is the secret swimmers have known all along.
Cold water doesn't just wake you up, it clears your mind in ways most people never experience. Today, you'll discover the hidden power swimmers feel the moment they dive in. Cold water does something unusual the moment it hits your skin. It sends a shock through your body, slows your thoughts, and forces your mind into the present. For swimmers, this isn't just a sensation. It's a secret weapon, a hidden power they feel every single time they dive in. Today, we're uncovering why cold water clears your mind in ways nothing else can, and why swimmers have known this truth long before it became a trend. Imagine stepping into water colder than your comfort zone. Your mind instantly stops thinking about yesterday's worries or tomorrow's problems. Your brain switches into survival mode, sharpening focus like a camera lens, snapping into clarity. Scientists call this the cold plunge effect, but swimmers know it as that moment when everything suddenly feels real, calm, and quiet. When cold water hits the body, your nervous system fires up. Adrenaline rises, but strangely, your stress levels drop. It's as if your mind finally exhaled after holding its breath for too long. This is why swimmers describe cold water as a reset button, a shock that wakes up the mind and washes away mental noise. It's not magic, it's biology. Cold exposure activates the vagus nerve, the part of your body responsible for deep calmness, emotional balance, and mental clarity. Swimmers may not know the scientific term, but they know the feeling. But here's the part most people don't expect. Cold water forces you into controlled breathing. The first instinct is to gasp, to panic. But swimmers learn to breathe slowly, deeply, and intentionally. That breathing pattern triggers the same response you get during meditation. Suddenly, you're not just swimming, you're meditating in motion. You're in a space where thoughts become quieter and focus becomes sharper. And then something even more powerful happens. Your brain releases a wave of endorphins, sometimes called the cold water high. This natural chemical boost makes you feel lighter, clearer, and more confident. That's why many swimmers step out of the water feeling energized, even if they went in feeling tired or overwhelmed. It's like your brain flips a switch, turning stress into strength. Cold water also reduces inflammation not only in the body, but in the mind. Emotional tension, mental fatigue, burnout. These are forms of internal inflammation. Swimmers often talk about how they feel mentally refreshed after training, even on hard days. It's not just the workout, it's the temperature. Cold water reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, making your mind more resilient. It's the kind of clarity people search for in therapy sessions, self-help books, or hours of meditation. But swimmers find it in minutes. Another secret swimmers know is the silence beneath the surface. The world above is loud, chaotic, and full of pressure. But when you're submerged in cold water, all that noise disappears. There's only the sound of your breath, the rhythm of your strokes, and the hush of water moving around you. That silence becomes a sanctuary, a place where thoughts reorganize themselves and the mind finally slows down. And this clarity doesn't fade once you step out. The mental reset continues for hours. Problems seem smaller, decisions feel easier, and your mind becomes sharper. Cold water trains you to stay calm under pressure, to stay mentally strong in moments of discomfort. Swimmers learn this lesson every day without realizing it. Clarity is found not by avoiding discomfort, but by diving into it. People search for peace everywhere, on mountains, in gyms, through meditation apps. But swimmers have always known a simple truth. Sometimes peace is hidden in a place most people avoid: cold water. The temperature that scares you is the same temperature that wakes your mind, clears your thoughts, and strengthens your spirit. So the next time you see a swimmer step into cold water with confidence, remember this. They're not just swimming. They're resetting their mind, sharpening their focus, and unlocking a power most people never experience. Cold water doesn't just touch the body, it transforms the mind, and that is the hidden power swimmers know. If this changed the way you see cold water, imagine what a single dive could do for you. Thanks for watching. Stay focused, stay strong, and keep swimming.